Everyday carry gear is all about having the tools you need, right when you need them. From sleek multi-tools to durable essentials, the right EDC items can make life simpler, safer, and more efficient. EDC gear has reached new heights with innovative designs that blend functionality and style. In this video, we're showcasing the 10 incredible EDC gear that everyone will appreciate, perfect for adventurers, professionals, and anyone who values preparedness. Get ready to upgrade your everyday kit with gear designed to handle whatever life throws your way. Let's dive in. Unleash your potential with the SOG Powerpint Mini Multi-Tool, crafted to tackle outdoor challenges and everyday fixes alike. Compact, lightweight, and durable, it's the ultimate carry-on for adventurers. Equipped with 18 essential tools, including pliers, scissors, dual blades, and a magnetic hex bit holder, this multi-tool ensures versatility at your fingertips. Its patented compound leverage design enhances grip strength, making cutting, crimping, and tightening tasks effortless and efficient. Constructed from robust stainless steel, the Powerpint weighs only 4.2 ounces and measures 3.2 inches closed. Whether you're hiking, camping, or just need a quick fix at home, this compact powerhouse is ready for every situation. Light up your adventure with the TG Plasma Lighter, built for durability and reliability in any environment. Its compact design and rugged construction make it an essential tool for camping, survival, and everyday use. Powered by advanced plasma technology, this lighter delivers a windproof and waterproof dual-arc flame, ensuring reliable performance in the harshest conditions. The USB rechargeable lithium polymer battery provides up to 300 uses per charge, making it both eco-friendly and convenient. Featuring a silicone rubber casing, a push-to-open cover, and a secure locking mechanism, this lighter is designed for safety and portability. Compatible with carabiners and keyrings, it easily integrates into your gear. Elevate your outdoor experiences with the TG Plasma Lighter, where innovation meets reliability. Gear up with the Mighty Bar, your rugged, heavy-duty EDC pry bar crafted from solid stainless steel for unmatched durability. Built to withstand tough tasks, this minimalist tool eliminates the need for multiple carry items. Whether you're scraping off labels, prying staples, or turning screws, the Mighty Bar handles it all with ease. Designed to be your go-to multi-tool, the Mighty Bar fits effortlessly onto keychains, lanyards, or packs. Its compact size ensures you can carry it anywhere, from your pocket to your backpack, without adding bulk. Ideal for outdoor adventures, this tool shines when you're faced with everyday tasks like opening boxes or splitting firewood. No more searching for the right tool. The Mighty Bar is the only EDC pry bar you'll ever need. Its solid stainless steel build ensures reliability, while its minimalist design keeps your gear streamlined. Simplify your carry, tackle everyday challenges with confidence, and stay prepared for whatever comes your way.
Let's kickstart our list with the Keysmart All Tool, a multi-tool that blends functionality with style effortlessly. Available in 7 sleek designs, this compact marvel is equipped with an array of functions to tackle any task that comes your way. From screwdrivers to bottle openers, wrenches to wire cutters, the All Tool has got you covered. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel, it's built tough to endure whatever challenges you throw at it. Its slim and lightweight design ensures easy portability. Slip it into your wallet or attach it to your keychain, and you're always prepared, no matter where you go. Upgrade your keychain game with the Keysmart All Tool and experience the convenience of having a toolbox right at your fingertips. With its blend of style and practicality, this multi-tool is sure to become your go-to companion for everyday tasks and adventures alike. Looking for a trusty knife that can handle any task? Meet the SOG Centy 2, your ultimate everyday carry sidekick. Despite its compact size, this little powerhouse packs a serious punch. Featuring a robust 2.1-inch blade made from tough 3CR13 stainless steel, the Centy 2 is built to last. Its corrosion resistance and edge retention ensure it's ready for any cutting challenge. Plus, with a reliable lockback mechanism, you can work with confidence knowing you're safe and secure. Crafted from sleek black stainless steel, the handle offers a comfortable grip for precise control. And weighing just 1.3 ounces, it's incredibly lightweight, perfect for slipping into your pocket or attaching to your gear. Whether you're tackling everyday tasks like opening packages or handling small repairs, the SOG Centy 2 is the versatile companion that won't let you down. Attention all painting enthusiasts, meet the Minibay Pixel Artboard, the ultimate EDC everyday carry art kit for on-the-go pixel painting. With its capacitive touchscreen, shortcut buttons, and multicolor palette, sketching has never been easier. This lightweight electronic artboard fits in your pocket or bag, ensuring your artistic inspiration is always within reach. With a library of 100 paintings on board, both beginners and seasoned artists have a wealth of resources at their fingertips. Plus, the artboard automatically saves up to 20,000 paintings and 3,000 steps for each artwork, preserving your creative journey. Thanks to the Pixel Ladder app, sharing your artwork is effortless. Back up your paintings and share them on popular social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter with just a few taps. Don't let inspiration slip away, use your finger as a pen, paint, and watch your ideas come to life with the Minibay Pixel Artboard. Introducing the Leatherman Micra, the ultimate companion for those who crave versatility and reliability in a compact tool. Whether you're an angler, hobbyist, or just someone who appreciates top-notch spring-action scissors, this mini tool is a game-changer. Despite its small size, the Micra is a powerhouse with 10 tools in one. From a sharp knife and precise tweezers to a handy file and spring-action scissors, it's ready for any task. But that's not all. This multi-tool also includes personal care tools like a nail file and tweezers, perfect for handling grooming needs on the go. With its sleek design, the Micra is perfect for storing in tackle boxes, pockets, fanny packs, or attaching to keychains. Plus, its convenient keyring attachment ensures it's always within reach when you need it most. Say goodbye to lost tools and hello to convenience and peace of mind with the Leatherman Micra. Introducing the Ascent Set, a groundbreaking collection inspired by the wonders of space exploration, designed to elevate your note-taking experience to new heights. Crafted with innovation and durability in mind, this remarkable set combines a compact notebook with a genuine carbon fiber cover and waterproof pressed limestone paper pages, ensuring resilience in any environment. But the Ascent Set isn't just about toughness. It also features a robust space pen equipped with a NASA-approved Fisher Space refill, delivering reliable writing performance wherever your adventures take you. Drawing inspiration from Earth's magnetic field, the pen's magnetic end allows it to seamlessly attach to the notebook, offering convenient storage and ensuring a secure connection between the two. Whether you're exploring the great outdoors or navigating bustling city streets, this environmentally friendly set is built to endure and capture your ideas effortlessly. Experience the Ascent Set and embark on a journey of creativity and exploration like never before. Experience unparalleled organization and convenience with the Korin Snappack, the ultimate storage solution designed to simplify your daily routine and keep your essentials within easy reach. This innovative pack features a magnetic quick-access top pocket, allowing you to retrieve your items effortlessly with just a flick of your fingers. Plus, with its hidden TSA lock, your valuables stay protected and secure while you travel, giving you peace of mind wherever you go. Crafted with comfort in mind, the Snappack boasts an aircell shoulder strap that evenly distributes weight, reducing strain and ensuring a comfortable carrying experience. But that's not all. This pack also includes hidden RFID block pockets and 3D side pockets, providing additional security and storage options for your personal items. With its suitcase cassette, you can easily attach the Snappack to your luggage, making it a convenient travel companion for all your adventures. Say goodbye to clutter and hello to effortless organization with the Korin Snappack. Product 1. Pico Mini Projector. Step into the future of portable entertainment with the Pico Mini Projector. This groundbreaking device is a game changer, combining breathtaking clarity, pocket-sized portability, and universal compatibility for an immersive viewing experience on the fly. With the dazzling brightness of 200 lumens and keystone angle correction, the Pico delivers vibrant colors and jaw-dropping clarity, transforming any space into your personal theater with a projection size of up to 240 inches. But wait, there's more. The Pico isn't just about visuals. It's equipped with a built-in hi-fi speaker for mind-blowing sound quality that'll elevate your experience to new heights. Designed for ultimate convenience, this pocket powerhouse fits snugly in your pocket and boasts 16 gigabytes of data storage. Plus, with its intuitive touchscreen interface, controlling your entertainment is as easy as a tap. Compatible with Android, iOS, Mac, and Windows systems, and supporting a plethora of apps for seamless streaming, the Pico Mini Projector ensures uninterrupted entertainment wherever you go. And with up to 5 hours of video playback and a quick charge feature, the fun never has to end. Immerse yourself in non-stop entertainment wherever your adventures take you.